Hello, I'm Eren Şahinkeser and I am here to explain this project's aim to you. The project's aim is getting exact measurements about this ping pong ball's traffic and compare what we learn in lessons and what we see in real life. And now my friend Muhammed Aktaş is going to explain this project's components to you.
Hello, I am Muhammed Aktaş. I'm going to introduce our setup components of the project. For our project, we use the spoon as a simple launcher. We put the ball on the one end of the spoon and then hit the other end to throw it. We use 4 A3 peppers as a background. Every square is equal to 1 centimeter. We use this background to measure every value correctly.